Your empty forever promises jealousy from my lips. Repetition, looking behind in a bustle with scrubbing and grinder. Stop. Pushing. Bottom. Seats. Aggressive top. Settling. With a local postcode. No idea what we're doing. We're spitting the hole, tearing the Wendy house apart, smashing its teeth in a fancy fit full of fish. No drop, all day, in the receipts, smash the phone, shatter the camera lens. All the love you have left when I pulled the cock from your arse. Pushy button, pushy button. Thank you. That was basically paraphrasing the love of my life at the time, who was a fucking psychopath. Thanks to every fucker for coming out here. We're doing another show tomorrow night. I promise not to get on the mic like a twat at the end. Can we have a massive round of applause for everyone who's performed tonight? No, I said can we have a massive round of applause for everyone who's performed tonight? Say, can we have a massive round of applause for people that performed tonight? I hope every motherfucker has bought something from the merchandise store, because I want to give some money to the bands. People like Salaman and Dag have flown over from Morocco just to play here. I'm humbled to fuck that they've done it. I mean, they're some of my best friends, but they know I've got no money to wipe my arse, and the fact that they've come and done this for me makes me want to wipe my arse. Anyway, tomorrow night we have the mechanics again. We've got the Unkindness of Ravings flying over from Berlin. We're going to do the album launch. I've just done their album cover. Me. And then Band of Bad are going to finish up the fucking night and probably make this warehouse quake. And we might try Pushy Bottom again tomorrow night, maybe. We did it last night and it was a lovely disaster. But thanks for coming, it means the world, and I've not done a show like this before. And once again, if you've got a drag in your class, can you just toast it to Nikki?
Yeah.
Thanks.
What the hell you doing?